Hey guys, what's up? It's Jeremiah. I'm out here inspecting roofs today, and so here's the dilemma. Well, first let me show you a picture. This is what I call the ladder fall of death. This is a roof I was on earlier today, and this is exactly why homeowners do not like to get on their own roofs, and honestly why they shouldn't get on their own roofs. This is a ladder on top of a roof that I had to access with a second ladder from a deck. So I know this scenario well. You just got a roof because it's that time of year, you got some hail damage, but you have no idea if that roof was put on correct. So what you need is a third-party roof inspection, someone who can access the roof, walk the roof, give you a report, let you know that that roof was put on correct, and if not, you could have that installer come back and put on or make corrections. Sorry, there was someone down below waving at me, so I don't know if they're trying to make a new friend with me or what, but give me a call at Craftsman Home Inspections, LLC. That's 720-593-0383, craftsmancolorado.com. And then guys, also make sure that nothing like this was left on the roof. So, got nails, more nails. And then here we've even got lots and lots of roof flashing that was just left on the roof. So we'll make sure that your roof looks like it's in order and that it was completed with quality standards and practices.